Hey everyone, Tony G here. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the standing hip flexor stretch, okay? Now, as always, when you're doing these stretches, you never want to feel numbness, tingling into any of the extremities that you are working with. If you do feel that, you need to go to a medical provider, have yourself checked out, okay? It's better to be safe than to be sorry, okay? Now, keeping that in mind, when we are doing standing stretches, you want to make sure you have nice, stable surfaces, a wall, table, countertop, anything, you name it, even a chair, to keep yourself safe, okay? The last thing you want to do is fall over and hurt yourself while you're trying to make yourself better, okay? So, in order to do the hip flexor stretch, we are going to need some level of flexibility because what we will be doing is we will be lifting our leg and pulling it. Now, what happens sometimes is people will start getting into this ballerina type situation where they're like, I don't feel it, okay? Now, so we have to learn certain moves before we do a hip flexor stretch, okay? Keeping that in mind, we have to know that we want to learn what's called tucking our tail. Now, sometimes we all have this kind of lordotic posture. You want to learn to tuck your tail or bring your tailbone under, and this is going to actually help to intensify the stretch where you don't have to be going over into a bent over position, okay? Yeah, so keeping that in mind, we're going to want to actually tuck our tails as we're doing this stretch to intensify it so we feel a little bit more into our hip flexors, okay? I'm going to step back a little bit here so you can see the stretch, okay? And all you're going to do is basically you're going to grab something stable. We'll start with our left leg. You're going to pull your leg as much as you can, okay? Now, sometimes for people who are very, very tight, they're going to feel this right away, okay? If this is you, then that's fine. You don't necessarily have to do the pelvic tuck, but if you do, you're going to intensify the stretch and it's going to get even better for you, okay? So, what we're going to do, we're going to pull our leg, we're going to tuck our pelvis, and we're going to feel the stretch right through here, and we're just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Shake the leg loose. Give yourself anywhere between 5 seconds and 30. Now, I typically always say you don't necessarily have to go all 3 times on one side. You can actually alternate. And for this particular video, I am going to alternate, okay? We're going to go for our right leg here. And we're going to grab our right leg. We're going to pull up. We're going to tuck the pelvis in. And we're just going to hold it. And you're going to feel it right here, either into the entire quad or just into the main hip flexor. And we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And we're going to shake it out, and we're going to go back to our left side now. Just make sure you got a good view there. Good. We're going to grab our leg, keeping everything nice in alignment. Hips are lined up. We're going to tuck the pelvis, and we're going to hang out here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And relax. Shake that leg loose. And we're going to switch sides again. There's nothing wrong with you doing 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Just in case I didn't stress that enough. Grab our leg here. Tuck the pelvis. And hold. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Relax. Okay. Give ourselves a few seconds here. For the last one, I'm not going to count. I'm just going to let my... Well, it's actually kind of hard with my watch. Maybe I will count. Never mind. Okay, here we go. Pull the leg back. Make sure you got your nice balanced surface. Okay, this isn't a balance drill. You want to focus on just the stretch, okay? Now, if you look at it from the front view, this is what you're going to look like. And I'll actually give you this view because I haven't done this angle yet. And we're going to just count. 1, 2, maybe do this partial. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Relax that leg, shake it out, and we're going to go for the last one here. Pardon me. And we're going to stretch, pull back, tuck the pelvis, feel the stretch right through here or into the quads as well. And we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And that, everyone, is a hip flexor stretch. Get out there and stretch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video has added value, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future videos like this. Till next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks, everyone, for watching.